Wow.
Here goes that thing. Can I open it?
Move into.
I'm gonna get that tissue paper.
Damn.
He's already
Sticky
thinking
mud
about
on
it.
Oh my god.
What?
Whenever that thing I wanted, it looks cozy.
Oh,
It
look.
does.
Damn.
Oh, cool.
Boots.
Have a holly.
Girl got some boots.
Woo, woo.
Yeah, because it's a different
Oh my
thing.
gosh.
I see.
How do you know?
What?
I secretly wanted this because my friend said it was really fun.
Do you see?
It actually
secretly
plays
want-
real music.
Thank you, Selena.
Oh my god, look at what he got me.
Don.
Look, he got a reindeer for me.
It's your toilet paper.
Yay.
Toilet paper. Okay.
Oh, look at fluffy socks.
They have reindeer on it.
Two Daniels in front.
Oh, look, I got a light. Look, I got a glitter LOL dot.
I did. I opened my charger.
Oh my gosh.
This is
OMG.
so cute.
Like my Royal High girl. She has the same one.
You want a knife?
Ooh, Harry Potter Legos.
Are you ready for
Yeah.
one? Okay, here.
You like
Let me grab this one.
There should be the blue ones.
Oh yeah, that's right. I'm trying to be secretive. Dang, you need.
Oh,
Again.
okay.
This isn't hers.
Event number 1.
Oh,
OMG. Mom.
no.
Keeps
Mommy.
mixed up.
Gosh, you
Mommy,
don't work.
Mom,
What is it? Oh, you do?
So cute. Alright.
Okay.
Event number 2.
Selena messed up. I
I
said
did
one of
not
the
mess
blue
up.
was. Yes, I did. Yes, you did.
I did. Yes,
Are those
Oh.
rebels?
That's why I looked at all
Oh
suspicious.
my
See, like that
God.
one's for Mom.
I love that.
I did. Yeah. I'm missing the reaction.
Event number 3. OMG.
Cute.
This is so cute. Oh my god, it's so cute. It's a unicorn. An oversized unicorn dress.
I started over.
Yeah. All of these are for you. Damn, these are all for you.
You bought me a mini throne.
Oh.
A what? A mini what?
It's like a little drone.
That one's for you, right?
Yeah.
No, cover it. Wow.
Ah, boo.
Little blue. Another of dream pairs.
I thought you said it was to Michaela.
No.
Oh.
Oh, nice. Wow, you got all kinds of shoes now and boots.
Another white box. Ooh. Definitely keep this wrapping
Don't mess it up.
OMG.
What is it?
Oh, do I have a price tag on it?
Alright, exhibit 1, another skirt.
Nice.
Woo!
Don't look.
Exhibit 2, another
Nice.
skirt. Exhibit 3, another skirt.
I got pens
Exhibit
and
5
it has
is
the
a
kit.
romper. This romper's
And-
so cute, huh?
Oh, it has like a little, like a picture and all kinds of What is it?
What? Oh my god.
No, it's just clothes.
Ooh, look, pants. Yeah.
Folding this tissue paper before Michaela destroys it.
Daniel spent like so long.
Ooh,
Yeah, I'm not sure if those will fit you. They look
Oh my
big.
gosh.
They do. I said extra on day.
No, you can't open it.
This cool bag.
Ooh, and I like this color.
She's the one that picked everything out for it.
Yeah, where did the other present go for you? Oh, you still have it over there.
Whoa, this looks big, but I love it.
Ooh, nice. Boy, you're going to be full of clothes.
This is Michaela.
Ooh,
I know.
looks like
Yeah.
white
She's just slow at the amount of presents she has. She's got a whole lot
and
going on.
something sports ball.
These are all for her. Oh.
Which is the one that I wrapped this present? No.
So cute. It's a man.
Which one's the one that I...
Oh, look at that
This
fish
one.
paper.
No, that's from Daniel.
Oh, look, I got another black star.
Oh, Rebel, look at that.
Uh-huh. What?
Oh,
It's
nice.
a pinky goldy fanny packy.
They could be twinsies. I got myself a teal one.
Yay.
Just open it.
Tappy tap tappy tap. Ooh.
Tappy tap.
Are those the ones that you were trying to explain to me?
Yes.
But
What's it
they're-
say?
They're dress ups. So.
It says
What are all
to
these?
Michaela from Keen Midas.
Woo!
Oh, I know. That's so...
So little.
For Daniel? So he's like, yeah, we need to wrap them. Like, sure.
Wee.
What is? Oh, wow.
Another.
That is a
Cozy.
really fuzzy, cozy one.
Right?
The other one's my second favorite now.
Woohoo!
Oh look,
Or unless it says it, I don't know.
new shoes.
Comes with beard soap.
What? Oh, I know.
Gives me more initiative to
Huh?
grow a beard.
No kidding.
What is that? Let's see.
It's a Nintendo Switch.
Oh! I thought it was going to be a littler box. Oh,
I
wow.
really want to. This is the first thing I'm gonna open when I open my presents. Oh my gosh,
Oh, beautiful. That's very pretty.
pretty.
Who is that from, your mom?
Yeah. Okay. Can I open this one then?
Yeah.
Ooh, look at this one.
Ooh, fancy dresses.
What is that?
this?
Oh. Do you know what it is?
Maybe a lunchbox, a pencil case?
Mm-mm.
I have no idea.
It's a case to hold the Switch.
I'm trying to see.
Ooh, I got a
I
protective
could have
case
sworn
for
it was,
my
I brought it
Nintendo. Woo!
Right?
This is wrapping paper there.
in. Okay, so I'm not, I don't feel so.
Daniel,
The
you
other
still
one
have
is,
another present.
I know.
the other one
Switch
is small, so it didn't matter.
It's
That
an
was the one that I thought.
LOL. It
that was
says you can pick your LOL and then like you gotta like you can be a pop star or you can go in backstage. Think it's a movie or a game.
Yeah, who's it from?
Daniel. Yep, I knew it. It was a game.
You don't know.
Super Smash Bros. Told you it was a game. Another Nintendo game. I got Mario Deluxe.
Are you sure you brought it?
Mario
Did it fall out in the car?
Deluxe 8.
Maybe.
Did it not
Which
ever
one is
come
that
out
one?
as bad?
Mario Kart.
No, but it's the 8th.
Oh. This is wrapping paper.
Just Dance 2020.
That's really a game for me.
on the Nintendo.
And Daniel.
Yes. Whack.
And-
That's not that.
Ooh, I got Animal Crossing also.